Recording in progress.
All right, welcome. Now we're on page 108 in our activity books. So make sure you have your books out to page 108 here, and we'll get started. Okay, so the first set of instructions say, multiplying and dividing by one-digit numbers. Okay, and these say, number one says to multiply mentally, right? What does mentally mean? Okay, to do something mentally is to do it like in your mind, okay? So it means like do this in your head, okay? Without, this would not be multiplying mentally, all right? This would be just working the problem out. And here, how would we work this out? We say 7 times 4 is 28, right? And we carry the 2, and 7 times 0, 0, and we get 228 so far. Now, where does my decimal place go? Well, I have one decimal place on the top. Okay. And how many decimals here? All right. Well, there's 0 decimal places there in that number. All right. And so how many places do I need to move my decimal here? Well, 1. Yeah, 1 plus 0 is 1. So I need to take this decimal and I need to move it 1 place to the left. Okay. And so my new number is what? What's my new number? Yes, my new number is going to be 2.8. Okay. And that is the slow way to work it out. So we're not going to work these out like this. Okay. We're going to use a different technique. We're going to do these in our heads. Okay. So how do we do these in our heads? Can someone describe the process or what you would do to calculate 0.4 times 7 in your head? How would you do that? The trick is to do this without working it out, right? So I know that I need to take 4 times 7. Okay, if I take 4 times 7, then basically what I do is I know that is 28, right? I know that 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, that's how I do this. And then I say, okay, I see there's 1 decimal place here. So I know that it's going to be 2.8. Okay, so let's try the next one, C, and see if you guys can get this without doing the arithmetic. All right, is anyone ready? Or anyone got this answer? 1.2 times 4 equals what? 1.2 times
4.8.
Okay, 4.8. And the way we do this is what did you do? You took 12 times what?
12 times 4 and then
Right.
move it 1 digit forward.
Yeah, and then we just see that there's 1 decimal place there. So we just need to move that decimal place 1 place to the left. Okay, and we should get our new number there. It should be 4.8. Okay. So
the next one is 10.4.
All right, 10.4. So you took 52 times 2, right? 52 times 2. You got 104. And then you add the decimal, so you get 10.4. Okay, so that should be pretty simple. How about, is NJ out there? NJ, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
All right, I want you to do these next 3 for us as quickly as possible. Okay, so NJ, can you tell me the answer to B for us? B is what? What's 7 times 8, NJ?
7 times 8 is
Think. Engine?
56.
Yeah, 56, right? Okay, and then how many decimal places are here? How many decimal places? Just how many? Just 1, right? Okay, so where's my decimal going to go? Is it going to go here at the end? Is it going to go here? So it should say 5.6 for that one. Okay, guys, so make sure we have 5.6. All right, moving on. NJ, do you know any of these? D or F? What do you think? Or engine, either? Alex? August?
9.9.
9.9. Thank you. And I want you to do the rest of these, August, if you don't mind. 9.9. Okay, so we took 3.3, we got 99, we moved the decimal one place there.
30.3.
30.3, good job. All right, nice job, August. Okay, I want you to do the rest of these if you can, okay? So let's try this one. This is divide mentally, okay? And let's first work this out, how we would do this just regularly, and then we can kind of think about what the trick is to divide it in our heads. So I'm taking 4.5 divided by, in this case, I think it's 5, okay? All right, and 5 goes into here how many times? 5 goes into there how many times? 9 times. And when I'm dividing decimals, where does that decimal go? Where does it go?
0.9.
Yeah, it goes straight up, right? So it goes to be 0.9 for that one, okay? Let's make sure you have 0.9. All right, let's go down the column here. And next, any of you guys know this one? 8.1 divided by 9? August?
0.9.
All right, very nice. We'd say 0.9. Again, is that right, guys? So 9, and the way we would do this in our heads, we think 9 goes into there. We think this is, we know that's 9 times 9, right? And we know that there's, again, one decimal, okay? So there's one decimal place. So we are going to move this back to there, okay? So that's, hopefully that's clear, 0.9. What we're doing here is you want to try and figure out how to do these in your head, okay? So let's look at 9.9 divided by 3. Anyone know the answer?
3.3.
3.3. Okay, yeah. And the way we do that, we just think 99 divided by 3. So it'd just be 3.3. Okay, we have 2 minutes. I think we can get through this page because these are going to get easier. You'll see the pattern after now, I think, hopefully. So we say 4.2 divided by 7. Okay. So what do you guys think? 42 divided by 7 is 6. Okay. And then I have one decimal place. So what's my answer? August?
0.6.
All right. Omson says 0.6. You're correct. All right. All right, boys, let's hear it. 7.2 divided by 9.
0.8.
0.8. Thank you, guys. Cake, thank you. All right, 0.8. All right. 10.2 divided by 2. Okay.
5.2.
That one is kind of like you'd
5.1.
say it's 51 in your head, and then you need to move the decimal one place there. So it's 5.1, right?
Yes.
All right, we're doing well then. So those are your answers for number 2. All right, we can do this in 1 minute. If we have some guys out there who are pretty snappy, we got this in 1 minute. Okay, double 4.3 is what? What's double 4.3? What's that? Who's got it?
8.6.
8.6. All right. Okay, and then double 0.15 is what?
0.3.
0.30, I do believe, right?
Yeah, 0.30.
Okay, and these you can do in your head. In this one, you kind of take
do like
15.
0.3 actually.
15 times 2 is 30. Okay, and then you see there's how many decimal places? How many decimal places? 2, right? So you can move it there. Okay, double 0.78 is what?
1.56.
1.56. Okay, let's move on. Half of 2.8 is, and that's half.
1.4.
1.4. Okay, and half of 0.42 is
0.21.
0.21. And last question, you guys. Half of 0.56 is
0.28.
0.28. All righty, we're in great shape, guys. Thank you so much. That is page 108 in the books. Thank you for your help.